Okay, dig this dirt bag out. Oh. Oh. Perfect. This one's actually not that bad, only because I've tightened it recently. I find these always back off, or you gotta tighten them so much that they're so stiff. Anyway, I got these steering bearing kit, all balls. So it's a little bit of a different style, so throw that in and see how it works. I've had them before where it's like so loose. Like this it would be fine, but as soon as you put your weight on it and you put pressure on the bearing, you can barely steer it. That's nice and loose. This one must be nice and cross-threaded. Oh my. Look at this. Look at that one compared to this one. That's good. All right. There. Let's take a look. So I didn't record that, but anyway, so these go in here. I got a bunch of sand in it too, listen. This has to get reused. Like that play is here, not here. Yeah, just solid. Sucks so much that they used the wrong nut on there. But what do I do now other than cross-thread it again? I'm not fixing it. Cross-thread this on. Put a little bit of lube on it. There we go. more of a lock nut. Yeah, let's start across threading. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's like, because you don't want it flopping, but you also don't want it so stiff. But that there, like, yeah, perfect. There we go. Okay, that's done. So it's not touching. That's how you want it, I think. Like, you want it to be able to move freely, but not like floppy. But you don't want it so stiff that you move it and it just goes. Alright, you just want to, just like that. And then the only play now is right here, which I'm not going to do anything about. So it's done. That's what we just put on her.